Space. 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 We rarely ever speak of darkness as the absence of light. We rarely ever do this, even though chemistry teaches us that the cold is just the absence of heat. We forget that this absence exists relative to its substance, that it is required in order for the substance to exist in the first place. Why do we keep forgetting this? In an interview with Roger Ebert, filmmaker and animator Hayao Miyazaki once said, "We have a word for gratuitous motion in Japanese. It's called ma, emptiness. And most importantly," he explained to Ebert, "it is there intentionally." Miyazaki clapped once, twice, thrice. The time in between my clapping is ma. If you have non-stop action with no breathing space at all, it's just busyness. But if you take a moment, then the tension building can grow into a wider dimension. He tells us to not be afraid of the silence. What do you call a sentence without its spaces? Does happiness exist when there is no sadness? How can you acknowledge life without, in the same breath, acknowledging death? Do not be afraid of the silence.